Karnataka has been at the forefront of cash seizures, especially after demonetization. And once again today, nearly 2.89 crore rupees were seized, out of which 2.52 crore rupees was in brand new 2000 rupee notes. This was based on a specific tip-off that the income tax department raided an apartment in Yashwantpur in Bengaluru. But then it did not happen easily. There was one old lady guarding this apartment. Two dogs were on the loose. The lady refused to open the door or tie up the dogs. Later on, a specific tip-off that one person was visiting the apartment at Vias made sure that the IT department could go ahead and get this person who was visiting the apartment, get him to open the door. Then they stumbled upon this cash, and later on, after interrogation, it has come to light that he has gone ahead and accepted the fact that this was unaccounted wealth. Now, if you look at the stats, more than 20 crore rupees has been seized in new notes ever since demonetization by the IT department. And many are wondering why the state is at the forefront. The IT department saying that there have been specific tip-offs which have really led to these seizures and recovery in many cases. In Bengaluru, another case where 9 lakhs was recovered. This was a scam where people were trying to entice people, saying that we will give you more old demonetized notes if you give us notes in 2000 rupees. Well, now this is all about demonetization and recovery in Bengaluru.